Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, on a day when I'm doing a lot of filming, and today's video is all about drugstore hair care products that I am into, for some reason I'm at the end of my filming and I should have done my hair at the beginning, because you all know that when I am filming, I'm playing with my hair constantly. I swear it looked better at the beginning of the day. At least it still feels great. All right, you guys, this only happened because of Abbey Yung. If you are not following Abbey Yung on all the platforms, then you are missing out. She tells us everything about every hair product out there. And so finally I was like, okay, it's about time that I listen to her. We all know that I am a high-end girly. I haven't used drugstore hair care products and I can't remember how long. However, after watching Abby's content for many years, I finally decided to cave and start trying some things. So I have things in different categories. I have pre-shower, in-shower, post-shower, and then styling products. But I don't have many in each category, so it's not going to be as terrible as it sounds. All right, so let's just get started. Oh, and for those of you who are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jennifer. I'm into all things hair, skin, and makeup. If you are too, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and please hit the notification button. I upload every Tuesday and Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Right now, YouTube does not love me, so the algorithm isn't working in my favor. So if you have the notification bell rung, you'll at least be notified that I uploaded. All right, let's get right into it. So I think this was the first thing that I tried from her recommendations. And listen, all credit here goes to Abbey Yung. I wouldn't have tried any of these without her. So the first thing, and this is actually my pre-shower product from OGX. This is the Nourishing Plus Coconut Oil. It's a weightless hydrating oil mist. This is such an enormous game changer that I've been using this for months. I think this is my third or fourth bottle at this point. I spray it every morning from my ends down, and then I put my hair up or back for about 20 minutes before I go into the shower. I just give it time to absorb. Also, I will use it at night before bed. I don't do them both, but like last night I did use it before bed, so I sprayed my ends, and then I wear my hair on top of my head when I sleep in a silk scrunchie. That way it's out of the way, and the ends are tucked in so they're not getting damaged or anything, but this just sinks in and nourishes my ends and have been keeping my ends so much stronger. They're not so brittle, they're not frizzy. I used to get my hair cut every 8 weeks, well, cut and color every 8 weeks. I now only get my hair cut every 16 weeks. I still get my root touch-ups every 8 weeks. So I'm now down to getting my hair cut about 4 times a year. This has been a total game changer for me. Now I have lots of layers and we're kind of growing them out a little bit. So my last hair appointment, he did take almost 2 inches off and I freaked out, but it was because the layers were looking not cohesive and cute anymore. So I didn't have to have the 2 inches come off because of the condition of my hair, just for the overall shape and style of it. But this here, I can't even tell you, it's like under $10. You can get it everywhere, it seems. This one I have that's like the green one, this is for finer hair types. And that's the thing, all of these products I have here are mostly geared towards finer hair. Abbey does tell you if you have thicker hair, coarser hair, whatever type of hair you have, she has recommendations for all the categories. And actually right now she has out a series, it's the Abbey Yung Method. So if you go to her Instagram, if you go to her TikTok, she's also here on YouTube, she has things laid out in very bite-sized bits so that you can kind of take what you want, go through her, all of her feeds and, find, part 1, part 2, part 3, so that you can really hone in on what might be something that would work best for you. That's what I've been doing for quite some time. And I've slowly built this up. I didn't go out and buy all this at once. This was my gateway drug. This is what really got me to be like, girl knows her stuff. I'm going to stick with her and keep trying. So this was number 1. Oh, and by the way, it does wash out easily. It does sink into your ends nicely and it'll dry down nicely and it washes out. I've never had my ends feeling oily or left in residue. I will say I probably do 3 spritz on each side, and then I really rake my fingers through to make sure it's all in there and absorbed. That way for sure. For me, in the amount of hair I have, 3 spritzes are the right amount. However, you're going to have to do a little trial and error to see what's right for your hair. I actually have two things in here that are dupes, so I don't want to get confused with those right off the bat. So we'll hold off on that for a second. I don't even want to say dupes. It's kind of like her two items replaced two of my other kind of loved items. Anyway, let's go into what's next. Shampoo and conditioner. I've been a Pureology girl for years, and she convinced me to try the Dove Bond Strength. This is the Damage Therapy shampoo and conditioner. These are $5 each. $5. I was like, it took me a while because I just had never gotten into, well, it's been over, I want to say it's probably been over 15 years since I've used drugstore shampoo and conditioner. It's probably been even longer. These smell amazing. So Dove did a great job on scent because scent will throw me off. But on top of that, these make my hair feel so soft, so silky, so manageable. I'm so in love. And probably in about the past year now, I have been a convert to the lather, rinse, repeat. I never in my life before really would shampoo twice. I always felt it was kind of like a marketing gimmick just to get you to go through the shampoo quicker. And then I came to really understand that shampooing twice is basically like double cleansing for your face. You're double cleansing your scalp. So the first shampoo kind of loosens up any dirt and oils you have in there. You rinse it out, then you use some more shampoo. I actually use less shampoo on the second wash. And that is what really lathers up and gets your scalp clean. Don't forget, shampoo is for cleaning your scalp and conditioner is for conditioning your lengths and ends. Your lengths and ends don't get that dirty. However, whatever shampoo is in your hair will travel down your lengths and ends. You don't need to scrub your lengths and ends. That'll actually do them more harm than good. Be gentle with them. That's how you're gonna get them to grow longer and be stronger, not be frizzy, have breakage, damage, any of that. But anyway, this shampoo and conditioner combined with my, dual cleansing has really made a significant difference in how soft my hair feels. I love this so much. And then followed up by that is the Dove 10-in-1 Serum Mask Bond Strength. This comes in another, I think it's like intensive strength. So does this line. This I think also comes in an intensive. I don't use that heavier line because those are for thicker hair and these are for finer hair. So this is what I'm using. Here again, this is I think my third or fourth container of this. This is the hair mask. You can use it in place of your conditioner. You can use it after your conditioner. I've used it both ways. It's like $10. It's the best $10 I spend every month. I love this. You can use it multiple times a week. I probably use it on average maybe 3 times a week, maybe sometimes 4. And I wash my hair every day. This is incredible. If you don't buy anything from this video, get this. Now, normally before I would go into my hair mask, I always used to use the Kerastase. This is their Chroma Absolute. This is like an alpha hydroxy acid gloss. So it kind of strips your hair a little bit, but also hydrates it and makes it nice and shiny and lightweight. It's a really wonderful product, but it's super expensive. I think it's like $58. And then Abby told us to try from L'Oreal. This is the Ever Pure sulfate-free glossing 5-minute lamination mask. It has a 17% glossing care complex with glycolic acid. This wholeheartedly replaces this. I can't remember how much this is. I feel like it's maybe around $12, $15. Don't quote me on that. It's way less expensive than this, and it works so much better on my hair. Now pretty much all of these products I used, everything you see here today, I did use on my hair today, except for this because I did use it 3 days ago. It lasts about up to 5 days where your hair is nice and shiny. So I probably won't be using this. I use it probably once every maybe 10 days, but that's just how it works with my whole hair care routine. This is wonderful. You can use it actually after your conditioner, whereas the Kerastase you used to use before your conditioner. But this here I use at the end of my whole conditioning routine. It's like my last step before I get out of the shower. You put it in, leave it in for 5 minutes. I go on, shave my legs, do whatever business still needs to be done, and then rinse this out. It rinses out so nicely, and your hair is glossy, silky, shiny for up to 5 days. Here again, it gets rid of like any buildup that you might have, but it's not like a buildup remover. It's not like a clarifying shampoo. The glycolic helps to not only like strip some impurities that are in there a little bit, but then it also adds that moisture and shine into your hair, which is what glycolic acid does. This is incredible. And then when I get out of the shower, these are my post-shower treatments. So normally I would go in, with the Color Fanatic from Pureology. I've been buying this for years. I love it. This is a 21 all-in like product. It does everything for your hair, from heat protection to leave-in condition. It does it all. But here again, she's expensive. Well, then Abby said, you might want to try the Pantene Miracle Rescue 10-in-1 multitasking spray. And I was like, say more. Here again, this is good for finer hair. Very often when you have finer hair, the more products you put on, the more your hair gets weighed down. Obviously, none of these products weigh my hair down. They all keep it just feeling light and silky and airy. This here is, it does 10 things like it says. Repairs damage, moisturizes, detangles, strengthens against breakage, protects color, heat protect, UV protection, softens, smooths, and improves shine. This does everything. It is probably one of the best leave-in conditioner / protectant that I've ever used. And one of the things that I love about it most, I'm about to make a mess here, the spritz on this, look at that. It's like a continuous spritz. You know how this actual nozzle on any other container just goes spritz? This is, look at, it's a longer spritz. Do you see how long that is? So when you're spraying, you're literally going psh, instead of spritz, spritz, spritz. I love this. You wouldn't even know it by looking at it. I just figured it out one day and I was like, holy cow. I'm intensely in love with this, and there's no chance that I'm going to run out without having a backup. Now, it does say that it is a heat protectant. However, she did recommend from Tresemme this protecting heat spray. It protects up to 450 degrees. I like to use this on my excessive hair days. So my normal hair days, I won't do a whole styling routine. I will just do a blowout and call it a day. However, on days when I'm going to put in Velcro rollers and I'm going to be doing more tension on the hair, putting more heat on the hair, then I will go in and double up and use this, which is what I did today. This is a nice, lightweight heat protectant. I used it before, like after I'd done everything, but before my final styling leave-in. It's not a leave-in, styling product. This just gives me like a little extra added protection to make sure that I'm really protecting my delicate ends. Do you need 2 heat protection steps? Well, if you do a lot of heat on your hair, say you blow dry and you're using a curling iron or a flat iron, then I would kind of suggest maybe you do have 2. And then lastly, also from Tresemme, this is the Amplified Volume. This is the Plumping Mousse. It is the professional 24-hour lift plus full body boost. This is really nice mousse. It doesn't leave my hair feeling sticky or weighed down. Now, like I said, I've been filming all day long. My hands have been through my hair. I can't help. I am who I am. And I should have done my hair video first. I don't know what I was thinking, but you get what you pay for around here. So anyway, this is a really nice volumizing mousse. Will it replace some of my high-end ones? No. I do love my high-end mousses, but this is really nice. It works really well, especially if after you have applied it. Now this is like root and length. It's like the whole head mousse. I have others that are like just for root lift. This is for everything. I like this a lot. It's not my number one, but considering what I paid for it, I will definitely use it on days, not like on days when I want to like have like the perfect most va-va-voom blowout, but on the days when I want a little more than just a meh blowout. You know what I mean? I never said I wasn't high maintenance, but if you are a better hair person than I am, where you can keep your damn hands out of your hair, you will maintain the volume easily, especially if you finish it off with some sort of a hairspray to set it all in place. So like I said, I would have never tried any of these had it not been for Abbey Yung. And if you follow her and haven't tried anything yet, you just like to watch her content, I highly recommend that you take her recommendations to heart, because so far she has not led me astray on one single thing. As a matter of fact, I will say I am holy grailing the coconut oil for my hair, the glossing lamination mask, the Miracle Rescue, and this Bond Strength hair mask. These are my 4 I won't give up. Will I try other products from the drugstore because she said so? Absolutely. So if you're looking for a way to like amp up the level of hair care you're doing for yourself right now without breaking the bank, I highly recommend you follow Abbey Yung, you take her advice to heart, and you start shopping in the drugstore. All right, you guys, like I said, they're all from the drugstore. I'll leave them linked down in the description box below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.